I'll be handing over the microphone to Dara, who will be sharing her GBV story with us. Thank you.
Hello, hi, I'm Dara. I went to ME, just as a one next. So I was asked to just share my story, but she said that we all, we stand for GBV, and it's basically how I found ME. I was sexually abused by first partner, and then actually the guy I married. And I was also emotionally abused to severe narcissism, which is also GBV. It can be physical, it can be mental, emotionally, and it's broken me down a lot. And the last 4 years, I've been a part of me, and say, Jess, Kiara, Mishi, absolutely everyone here that I do know has been with me and helped me to be a better Dara. Some days it's difficult. I've been going through a lot the last time, and yeah, Amy is here. Not good. So I'm going to try not to cry. But Amy has been here. And please, guys, if anyone needs to talk to anyone regarding mental health issues, or we check in almost every day with mental health posters and GBV, and please, anyone's DMs is always open. If we really do try